Welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be discussing about modifier 32. Those who have not gone through the previous modifiers, please do check in my playlist. I'll share it in the I button. So you can go through the previous modifiers also. So hereby I'm creating a playlist series for this modifiers alone. So whenever you have a doubt, you can check in that playlist. Fine. So today we'll enter into the topic soon. Okay. So before that, if you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe. And if you like the video, please do share it with your friends. Then, what is all about modifier 32 and why it is used and what is the example? Everything I'll be letting you know here. So modifier 32 means it is called as mandated services. Mandated services means if an insurance person is asking you to take a second opinion, in that case, you should add modifier 32 along with the procedure for which the second opinion is required. Okay. So for this, one more thing, what you have to keep in mind is if the person, that the patient himself or herself seeks a second opinion, you should not add 32 modifier. And another case, except the patient, if the family members is requesting for a second opinion also, don't add modifier 32. Modifier 32 can be given only if the insurance person, like in which insurance company the patient is having the insurance, that particular insurance department is asking to take a second opinion. In that case, you will be adding 32 modifier along with the procedure code. So hereby I can add one example. If a patient does have a cardiac issue, okay, so the patient is going to a hospital and the doctor is telling like you need to undergo mitral repair or something, a mitral repair, maybe that may be a procedure. So hereby what the patient is doing is he is consulting with his insurance department and the insurance people are telling like the mitral repair will be covered in the insurance, but also you do take a second opinion from another hospital or another doctor. So prior to the procedure, the insurance people are asking to take a second opinion. Okay, in that case, for that mitral valve repair procedure, you will be adding 32 modifier since the insurance people has asked the patient to take a second opinion. Hope so it is clear for you. Hereby I am adding a PPT so you can go through the definition and write and keep it in your notebook so that whenever you need to give interviews or something, you can go through these notes and everything. I have added examples also, so you can go through it. If you have any doubts, please do comment below so that if I can clarify it, I'll do it. Fine. Hope so you all understood what is 32 modifier. This is all about. It's very simple. If the insurance person is asking the patient to take a second opinion for the procedure, means you have to add 32 modifier along with the procedure code. It's very simple and very easy to understand also. Please don't skip the video, go through the video completely and see and write and keep the definition and everything. Go through the examples and it will be helpful for you in the future, or if you're working also it will be helpful. Hope so. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video and thank you for your time. If it is useful, please do share it with your friends. Take care. Bye bye.